Now I will start the Minikube and verify the installation of kubectl. So start Minikube is this command minikube start -- driver equals docker. So let's bring it back. So before starting the Minikube, I have actually tried a clean install by stopping the earlier versions of Minikube stop, and then it stopped the node Minikube, and then I deleted the earlier instances of Minikube delete, removed all traces of the Minikube cluster. Now I'm ready to give this command. So Minikube start driver equals docker. So it is doing all the steps. You can see pulling the base image, creating Docker container. It's taking a wee while. We'll come back after it completes. Again, preparing Kubernetes version 130.0 on Docker, this version. Generating certificates, enabling, done. kubectl is now configured to use Minikube cluster and default namespace by default. So let's go back to our slideshow and see what next. Now we'll get the verify installation by kubectl cluster info and kubectl get nodes. So I'll go back to this one, our command window, and give these two commands for verifying installation. So kubectl cluster info so Kubernetes control plane is running at this URI and core DNS is running as this, and then get nodes kubectl get nodes. So this is my node Minikube. Status is ready, control plane, age is 94 seconds, and version this. Alright, so in this lecture we have seen how to start the Minikube with a clean start by stopping the earlier version and deleting it, and then restarting it with driver being the Docker, and then verify the installation with kubectl cluster info and kubectl get nodes. Okay.